Welcome to another eStop Robotics Talking Hands product demonstration. Today we'll be talking about the optional enclosure for the Cypress Carrier board. The enclosure is meant to house and protect our Cypress Carrier board and the Cypress Semiconductor's FirstTouch board supplied with the first kit of parts. Included in the enclosure kit are two polycarbonate sides, four 7/8" 832 button head cap screws, four 3/8" 832 button head cap screws, four 1/4" hex aluminum standoffs, 8 1/4" nylon spacers, and one nylon cable clamp. To begin the assembly, we'll take the base plate and install the four 7/8" button head cap screws in each of the corner locations, which we're going to follow with the 1/4" nylon spacers. So with all four installed, we'll then add nylon spacers to each of those and then insert the assembled Cypress board with the FirstTouch board on top of it. On top, one more set of nylon spacers. Once we've installed those, we're going to add the inch hex aluminum standoffs, which we will thread lightly into place. We will return to tighten those up in a moment. Now once installed, we want to snug these connections, and you'll notice I'm not using much more than just an Allen screwdriver here. We're going to complete the enclosure by first installing the USB cable that will power the Cypress board and adding the top plate and securing that with the 832 button head socket cap screws in each of the corners. We're going to do the corner with the USB cable adjacent to it last, so that we can also add the nylon cable clamp to that as a strain relief. Strain relief, the cable clamp, slips over the USB cable. We'll complete the assembly by installing the nylon cable clamp, which is acting as our strain relief for the USB cable, ensuring that it does not come out during competition. And that completes the assembly of the enclosure. This concludes the eStop Robotics Cypress Carrier Enclosure assembly demonstration. Please remember that the talking hands and the folks at eStop Robotics have families to feed, teams and charities to support, so make eStop Robotics the first stop for your competitive robotics needs. Thank you.